A Broom vacuum combines quick sweeping convenience with powerful suction, delivering effortless daily cleaning for homes, apartments, and offices while saving time, space, and energy. Best Broom vacuum options offer lightweight design, strong performance, cordless freedom, and easy storage solutions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. KARDV Broom Vacuum. The KARDV Broom Vacuum is a well-rounded cordless cleaning solution built for modern households that need power, flexibility, and convenience. With suction reaching up to 40 kPa, it easily lifts dust, debris, pet hair, and everyday messes from carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles without repeated passes. Its long runtime of up to 60 minutes in low mode makes it suitable for cleaning an entire home on a single charge, reducing interruptions and saving time. The V-shaped anti-tangle floor brush is particularly helpful for homes with pets, as it minimizes hair wrap while the green LED lighting exposes hidden dirt under beds, sofas, and cabinets. A smart LED display provides real-time updates on battery life, suction mode, and maintenance alerts, adding a layer of control that simplifies daily use. The sealed multi-layer filtration system helps maintain cleaner indoor air by capturing fine particles, making it family-friendly. With multiple attachments that convert it into a handheld vacuum, this model adapts easily to floors, furniture, cars, and tight spaces, offering dependable all-around performance. Number 2. FoxNoble 55 kPa Broom Vacuum. The FoxNoble 55 kPa Broom Vacuum is designed for users who want maximum cleaning power without sacrificing comfort or noise control. Its high-performance 650-watt brushless motor delivers up to 55 kPa of suction, allowing it to pull embedded dirt, pet hair, and larger debris from both carpets and hard floors with ease. 3 suction levels make it adaptable for light daily cleaning or deep whole house sessions. The extended runtime of up to 65 minutes on low mode ensures uninterrupted cleaning, while the option to add spare batteries provides even greater flexibility. A V-shaped anti-tangle brush with flexible rotation and bright LED lighting improves edge cleaning and visibility in dark areas. The advanced 8-layer filtration system captures ultrafine particles and releases cleaner air, making it a strong choice for pet owners. The large dustbin with one-touch emptying minimizes maintenance, and the high-definition touchscreen display keeps controls and information clear and accessible, creating a smooth and efficient cleaning experience. Number 3. Eureka Turbo Broom Vacuum. The Eureka Turbo Broom Vacuum offers a practical upright design that balances strong suction with ease of use. Weighing about 10 pounds, it is light enough to maneuver comfortably while still providing powerful multi-surface cleaning performance. The adjustable height settings allow it to transition smoothly between hard floors and deep carpets, ensuring consistent results throughout the home. Its large 2.6-liter dust cup reduces the need for frequent emptying, making it ideal for larger spaces or homes with pets. Included accessories such as the pet turbo tool, crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool expand its versatility for above-floor cleaning. Onboard storage keeps everything within reach, adding convenience during use. While regular maintenance of the roller brush and belt is recommended, this helps preserve long-term reliability and performance. Overall, the Eureka Turbo is a dependable option for users who prefer a straightforward, corded vacuum with strong cleaning ability, generous capacity, and useful pet-focused features. Number 4. Bissell 28806 Broom Vacuum. The Bissell 28806 Broom Vacuum is a simple and lightweight cleaning tool designed for quick and efficient floor care. Its compact design and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to maneuver across both carpets and hard floors, especially in smaller living spaces. The synthetic flagged bristles effectively collect dust, crumbs and surface debris, making it suitable for everyday maintenance rather than deep cleaning. A sturdy metal handle adds durability while keeping the vacuum comfortable to use during extended sweeping sessions. Its straightforward construction makes it easy to store and operate without complicated settings or attachments. This model is particularly appealing for users who prefer a no-frills approach to cleaning or need a reliable secondary vacuum for apartments, offices, or dorm rooms. While it lacks advanced features found in powered, cordless models, it delivers consistent performance for basic cleaning tasks. Backed by a well-known brand, the Bissell 28806 focuses on reliability, ease of use, and practical everyday functionality.
Number 5. The Broom Cordless Broom Vacuum. The Broom Cordless Broom Vacuum is a compact and innovative solution for fast cleanups and light household messes. Powered by a high-speed motor, it delivers precise suction that effectively captures dust, crumbs, and small debris while operating quietly. Its finely flagged bristles enhance pickup performance, allowing it to collect particles that traditional brooms often leave behind. One of its most convenient features is the simple eject system, which releases collected debris directly into the trash with a single button press, keeping hands clean. The built-in lithium battery with USB charging adds flexibility, making it easy to recharge anywhere without bulky docks. A sturdy 3-piece interlocking handle provides a secure, comfortable grip during use. While it's not intended for deep carpet cleaning, it excels at quick touch-ups in kitchens, dinal areas, and entryways. For users seeking a lightweight, cordless alternative to sweeping, the Broom offers speed, convenience, and modern practicality.
Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.